Hello viewers. In this section we will discussing about the weight conservation means to with the GUI base how to convert our ground, pound and ounce. It is very simple Python based program and convert into the GUI. So let's start. Weight conservation means to multiply the value of the unit standard conversion values. So in this video, I will take you thought that create a weight converter GUI Python programming language. Simply, we are targeting some basic programs, also projects. It is very important for the all basic our viewers. So let's start. First of all, you can see the open. I can open my terminal, a window terminal, Linux terminal. It is very same process. CD, we go to desktop, CD and Pyresearch. Go to this directory. You can see the weight.py. Here our weight.py one tk library of Python. So you can see some one class. You create a simple GUI base and mention the all units of the gram and pound and ounce. You can see the formula. Also formula you can put the you can input your kg means 1 kilogram converted into the gram, pound and ounce. So it is very simple interface for the you just run python .py. You can see the one simple interface, 1 gram converted to the, you can just put and convert it how much you need, 10,100. It is very simple and basic application with GUI based Python. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting informational updates.